Hi guys, I am back with another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to be drawing some cute clouds. What you'll need is always your HB pencil and your darkest pencil, a light blue, a darker peacock blue, that's what it's called, and a peach colour, and then also a white gel pen, only if you need to though. The first thing you do is obviously draw the clouds, so just draw a curve, and it can be like any shape, any size, like that. So one of them is a male, one of them is a female, or you can do two males, two females. And you draw another cloud like behind it, like that. Then you draw the face, so circle, circle, same in the other, and then add eyebrows, and then do another circle. For the left one, what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw the eyes looking downwards, like that, and then the other one, eyes looking to there. And then you can draw, it's going to have a shocked face, and this one just a smile, and then add some eyelashes because it's a girl. Like that. Oh, cheeks, forgot. There, like that. And then you can go around and make it darker with your pencil. And try to actually stay in the line. Then you can colour in the eye. Don't worry if the little circle you draw before disappears. That's what the white gel pen is for. Like that. Then you can add the white gel pen in the circle. Like that. And then in the cheek. There, now we can draw the rain. So draw little droplets like that, coming down. Like that. Now it's time to colour them all in. So the boy, you can use the light blue and colour in the cloud. Then you can do the light pink for the girl. Then you can just touch up the white again. Like that. Now you can colour in the raindrops with your peacock blue. Like that. To make it prettier, if you want, you can kind of do a bit of a sky, just lightly colour around the clouds. Add a little bit of pink. Like that. I don't know if you can see it, but just kind of. Like that. So there you have it, you have your clouds. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll post next week again with another one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, you can follow me on my social medias on Instagram, Lottie's Cutesart, and on Twitter, Lottie's_Cutesart. I'll see you next week with another video. Bye.